Hello everyone, welcome to TP Chennai. Happy morning all. Today's vocabulary: axiomatic, AXIOMATIC. Prerogative, PREROGATIVE. Axiomatic, obvious and not needing proof, or aphorism. Synonyms: unquestionable, undeniable, accepted, absolute, certain, manifest, granted, indubitable. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: disputable, misunderstand, uncertain, questionable. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: it is axiomatic that good athletes have a strong mental attitude. Prerogative, an exclusive or special right, power or privilege. Synonyms: authority, power, liberty, access, advantage, perquisite, claim, birthright, appanage. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: disqualification, obligation, duty, burden, restriction, disapproval. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: it's the manager's prerogative to decide who will be employed. Chivvy, CHIVVY. Putative, PUTATIVE. Chivvy, to encourage someone to do something which they do not want to do. Synonyms: pester, torment, harass, motivate, encourage, persuade, prevail on, prod, entice, bother, disturb, intrude. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: neglect, ignore, retreat, aid, help, please, run away. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: my friend chivied me into buying a bigger car. Putative, commonly accepted or supposed. Synonyms: acknowledge, apparent, presumed, evident, assumed, speculative, equivocal, hypothetical, seeming. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: proven, real, true, authenticated, verified, validated, confirmed, sure. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: the putative leader of the terrorist cell was arrested yesterday. Docile, DOCILE. Felon, FELON. Docile, calm in manner and easy to control. Synonyms: obedient, gentle, easygoing, meek, amenable, biddable, submissive, well-behaved. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: unmanageable, headstrong, obstreperous, resistive, bulky, contrary, defiant. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: Rajiv was a shy, docile child. Felon, someone who has committed a crime. Synonyms: criminal, culprit, villain, convict, lawbreaker, scoundrel, savage, sinner, goon, prisoner, offender. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: innocent, police, angel, saint, hero, liberator. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: the convicted felon wanted to make amends after his release from jail. Intractable, INTRACTABLE. Termagant, TERMAGANT. Intractable, hard to control or deal with. Synonyms: unmanageable, uncontrollable, disobedient, rebellious, stubborn, unruly, defiant, out of hand. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: amenable, biddable, docile, willing, obedient, submissive, manageable. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: I attempted to laugh off his predictions, but he was intractable. Termagant, a woman who argues noisily to get what she wants. Synonyms: boisterous, noisy, unruly, rude, rough, tumultuous, gorgon, harpy, fishwife, shrew. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: calm, quiet, restrained, silent, meek, shy, introvert, gentle, kind, mild. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: marriage had ended his freedom, and on top of that, his wife was such a termagant. Unflinching, unflinching. Lampoon, lampoon. Unflinching, not showing fear or hesitation in the face of danger or difficulty. Synonyms: determined, firm, courageous, fearless, unyielding, unrelenting, steadfast, constant, unappeasable. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: fearful, unsteady, afraid, coward, weak, timid, wavering, spineless. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: Sujata was unflinching in her determination to see that justice was done. Lampoon, publicly criticize someone or something by using ridicule, irony, or sarcasm. Synonyms: mimic, spoof, parody, imitation, roast, caricature, satire, mock, invective, burlesque. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: praise, flattery, applaud, support, approve. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: many celebrities are lampooned on this satirical website. Insinuation, insinuation. Bucolic, bucolic. Insinuation, an unpleasant hint or suggestion of something bad. Synonyms: implication, inference, sneak, allusion, interpolate, veiled remark. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: announce, declare, proclaim, decline, reject, overlook. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: are you insinuating that I won by cheating? Bucolic, relating to the pleasant aspects of the countryside and country life. Synonyms: rural, Arcadian, provincial, rustic, agrarian, agrestic, agricultural. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: urban, metro, cultured, municipal, cityfied, cosmopolitan. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: the painting shows a typical bucolic scene with peasants. Kindle, kindle. Groundbreaking, groundbreaking. Kindle, to make someone feel a particular emotion or strong emotions. Synonyms: arouse, excite, provoke, glow, attract, interest, ignite, burn, blaze, set fire to, inspire. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: put out, douse, dull, quench, disenchant, turn off, extinguish. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: her imagination was kindled by the exciting stories her grandmother told her. Groundbreaking, innovative or introducing new ideas or methods. Synonyms: pioneering, advanced, leading, forward-looking, trend-setting, radical, spearheading. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: conservative, traditional, constant, outdated, old-fashioned, conventional, repetitive. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: we made 2 groundbreaking discoveries this week. Scupper, S-C-U-P-P-E-R. Byzantine, B-Y-Z-A-N-T-I-N-E. Scupper, to cause something such as a plan or opportunity to fail. Synonyms: thwart, ruin, endanger, wreck, defeat, destroy, impact, affect, overthrow. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: float, raise, promote, develop, fix, correct, reform, make up. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: arriving late for the interview scuppered my chances of getting the job. Byzantine, complicated and difficult to understand. Synonyms: complex, intricate, convoluted, difficult, tangled, knotty, devious, tortuous, involute. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: simplified, uniform, plain, simple, homogeneous, uncoiled, easy, straight, non-complex. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: Meena had several questions after reading the Byzantine document. That's the end of today's session. Thank you very much for joining. We will meet tomorrow. Have a great day.